November 21st, 2023 was Davido's 31st birthday. Which day was this guy still a teenager? Well, he's 31 now. And he was celebrated by a lot of people on social media. Happy belated birthday to 001 special artists in Africa representing Afrobeats and taking the Afrobeats culture to the rest of the world. He had a special birthday dinner. Look at he and Chioma looking all cozy and looking all sweet. I've never seen Chioma in a suit like this before. Personally, I've never seen her. She looks really good, and they look very good together, like a power couple. And it was a really, really special night.
Shut it.
All right. We're all awake. We're not going to stop there.
Commend your tremendous humanitarian efforts, your devotion to uplifting underserved communities, and advocating for equality through your nonprofit organization, the David Adeliqui Foundation, has helped foster a more equitable society and inspire countless individuals. On behalf of the people of Atlanta, we salute your global musical achievements and extend our gratitude for your dedication to service. I convey my best wishes for a memorable celebration. Sincerely, Andre Dickens, Mayor of Atlanta.
Coming through.
Now, what made the night extra special was Davido was given recognition 3 times, 3 whole times. November 18, 2023 is now known as Davido Day in the city of Atlanta, and that honor was given to him by the president of the Atlanta City Council, Doug Shipman, I think in collaboration with the mayor of Atlanta. So shout out to him, congratulations to him for that. And then also, November 21, 2023, which was his birthday, is now known as Davido Appreciation Day in Fulton County, Georgia. Second congratulations to him. And then he was also given a plaque, I don't know what this will be, or a letter from the mayor of Atlanta recognizing his significant contributions to the entertainment industry and his unwavering commitment to serving others through continued philanthropic endeavors. I don't want to read all of this, but it's here. On behalf of the people of Atlanta, We salute your general musical achievements and extend our gratitude for your dedication to service. I convey my best wishes for a memorable celebration. That was, look at the stamp of the letter, City of Atlanta, and it's signed by Mayor Andre Dickens, the mayor of Atlanta. So that's some real big props there. Congratulations to Davido, 31st birthday. We're gonna see your 62nd, your 93rd, and probably even your 100 and what's 31 times 4, 124th as well. Happy birthday, Davido.
It was like sometimes we go through losses not to break us, but to show us that God is still God and greater is on the other side of your career. So be present and knowing that you are only beginning. Greater is He that is in me than he that is in God. So I say that to say happy birthday, my brother. Happy birthday.
In 2018, and soon again in 2024. Davido has headlined concerts all across the world. Davido has performed at Wireless Made in America, Dreamville Festival, Roots Picnic, and One Music Fest, and more. Now, therefore, best resolves that the Atlanta City Council members, on behalf of the citizens of Atlanta, do hereby proclaim November 21st, 2023 as the Davido Day in the city of Atlanta.
You might not want to sit down. So, last but not least, I welcome Ms. Alana Williams.
Good evening. And on behalf of Mayor Andre Dickens, the 61st mayor of Atlanta, he would like to first, Mr. Attribution, he would like to say he's not here because he's a huge fan of yours and he cannot wait until he can meet you in person to bestow other honors on you. But on his behalf today, I'm going to read a ceremonial letter from him. To Mr. Davido Adeleke. As the 61st Mayor of Atlanta, I am pleased to join the Atlanta City Council in recognizing your significant contributions to the entertainment industry and your unwavering commitment to serving others through continued philanthropic endeavors. Known as the King of Afrobeats, you have captivated audiences worldwide, becoming a global icon in the music industry. On behalf of the City of Atlanta, thank you for your tireless efforts as a renowned singer, songwriter, producer, business leader, philanthropist, and community advocate. Throughout your remarkable career, you've amassed an incredible number of accolades and continue to use your platform to give back to communities in the United States and throughout Africa. I am proud to acknowledge and commend your tremendous humanitarian efforts, your devotion to uplifting underserved communities, and advocating for equality through your nonprofit organization, the David Adeleke Foundation, has helped foster a more equitable society and inspire countless individuals. On behalf of the people of Atlanta, we salute your global musical achievements and extend our gratitude for your dedication to service. I convey my best wishes for a memorable celebration. Sincerely, Andre Dickens, Mayor of Atlanta.
Yeah, I did. I mean, good time. Good time.
All right, so keep enjoying your meals, keep enjoying your cocktails. Soon we're going to cut some cake. So So, DJ, we can get back to it until then. Thank you.
I didn't sleep with my cat. Mate.